Section 9. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is R. R for run. I want you to find the letter R on page 9 in your book. Page 9 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound R. I want you to say the sounds and words after me. R, R, R for rake, R for radio. Let's read it again. R for rake, R for radio. We are now going to practice writing the sound R. Put your finger on the first R. I'm going to show you how to write the sound R. It's also in the tummy space. We start at the middle line, we go down to the next line, back up, and only a little bit round, not like the N all the way round. We only go a little hook at the top. Trace it with your finger. I'm going to show you again. We start at the top, straight down, back up along the line, not all the way up. Just before you get to the top, you make a little hook. Please trace it with your crayon. Now that we have traced the first letter R, please put your finger on the second R. I'm going to show you again. Straight line down, back up on the same line, and a little hook. Trace it with your finger. Now trace it with your crayon. Now that you have traced the second R, let's go to the last R. Put your finger on the last letter. I'm going to show you again. We start at the little middle line, straight down, back on the line, and a little hook. Please trace it with your finger. And now trace it with your crayon. Let's read it again. R for rake. R for radio. Now that you have practiced writing the sound R, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the sound R, you can color in the picture of the little boy. He is running. R for run. He can run very fast. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 10.